Run quickly, my son. Thank goodness we caught up with them.
Right away, right away.
Ah! Help me, Mama! Daddy, Mama, I fell into the well. I'm all alone. Help me!
Oh, my dear, do you hear what I hear?
Yes, Mama. I hear a sound. Someone is crying and sobbing, but I don't know where it's coming from. There's nobody around.
Help me, help me.
What is that? That sound is coming from the well.
What is that, Mama?
It's true. Someone is in the well. Oh, how are we gonna get them out of there?
Take that rope. Lower it down so they can grab it.
What is that? What is this rope that was lowered? It seems someone will rescue me. Thank you.
It's a little elephant.
What are you? How did you get down there?
I was running away from wild lions and I fell into the well.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid, my darling. Just come with me. You look very tired, my dear. I promise we won't hurt you.
Thank God we escaped them. Oh, what is this? Where's my son? He's not here. Where did he go? Did they eat him? Or what?
He was running beside me. Where did he go?
Let's go look for him, quickly!
I want Mama.
All right, my darling. Don't be upset anymore. Stop crying. I don't want you sad at all. Come eat, and don't be afraid. God willing, we'll search for them, and I promise we will find them.
You're so precious to me. Don't be afraid. You and I will be friends until we find them.
After 3 years.
Come on, play ball!
Yes, I'll win.
Children, my darlings, it's getting cold. Come on, I have prepared dinner for you. Come on, my dears. My dear, why aren't you eating?
Today, I remembered my mama and papa. I still long to find them.
Oh, my dear, after all these years, you still remember them. Did I ever treat you badly one day?
No. But I miss them, and I want to see them.
So you want to go to your mama and leave us after all these years?
Of course I won't abandon you two, but I really want to see them.
God willing, my dear, one day we'll find them. Now go inside and sleep, my darlings.
Here, take this. I brought the food.
What food? I don't want to eat. All I wish in this world is to find my child, my dear. I want to see him just once before I die.
I also want to see him. What can we do? We've searched everywhere. There's no place we haven't looked.
Look, my friend. Look at that elephant. It's strange he's among our herd. That's a very tasty meal. We must eat him.
Wait where you are. Whoever approaches that elephant must face me first.
What's this? Is he yours or what? You want to eat him all by yourself?
Eat him? That's my son. It's none of your business. You and anyone else who thinks of coming near him, I will protect him.
Your son is an elephant? How is he your son? Did you marry an elephant or what?
Come on, my dears. Let's leave this place.
Did you hear that? She says he's her son. We must make a plan to eat him.
Come on, elephant. Play, play. Yes, play.
They're alone. This is our chance to eat that chubby little elephant. Finally, he fell into our hands. Come on, elephant. No one will defend you this time.
Nobody will defend you this time.
Help me, Mama! Help me!
I hear the elephant's voice calling for Mama. Let's go save him. Surely a lion wants to eat him or something.
Are we going to make the same mistake again? Better they eat us than them.
No. I remembered. Maybe God will reunite me with my child. The ones who chased us and would have eaten us.
Yes, that's right. We must take revenge for what they did to us and our child.
Leave them. Leave them.
Another elephant! A third one! Wow, there are many elephants today. Looks like it will be a big feast. Come join us!
Take this.
Ah, we are defeated! Run quickly!
Thank you, thank you. You saved my life.
Don't mention it, my dear. The important thing is that you're safe. You even reminded me of my long-lost son, who disappeared when those lions chased us.
Your son disappeared from you?
Yes, I've been searching for him ever since.
Mama, I'm the one who got lost from you long ago and fell in a well.
What? Oh, my dear. Finally, I found you, my dear. Thank God.
Mama, I miss you so much.
Wow, what a strange coincidence. What luck. Finally, you found your mama and papa. Come on, let's celebrate.
Come on, my dear. We must go to our home. The whole tribe will be happy for you.
No, Mama. I must tell my mama.
You must tell her? I am your mama.
No, the other mama is the one who raised me. I must go tell her before I come with you.
Of course, my dear. I must thank her because she protected you.
You finally found them? Are you going to leave me and go?
No, I couldn't leave you. Maybe we can all live together.
That's a beautiful idea. It brings safety and peace.
I'm so happy I have two mamas.
And so, children, the little elephant now has two mothers, one who gave him life and one who raised him with love. We learned that a true mother is the one who cares, protects, and loves with all her heart. The most beautiful thing is living together in peace, no matter how different we are. Lessons we learned from the story. Family is precious. Never give up hope of finding your loved ones. Love makes a family, not only by birth, but also by care and kindness. Bravery and kindness win. Helping others can bring joy and reunite hearts. Living together in peace. Even if we are different, we can still be one family. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this story, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more stories.